Last week on WEGS Garage, we talked about putting adhesive on the vinyl and doing our B-pillars with this vinyl. And this stuff is good stuff to use. We're going to talk about this because this vinyl, there is no way you're going to pull that off without ripping the vinyl first. What we've been using is 3M, it's 08074. It's an adhesive for light automotive trim. And the stuff really works great, but you gotta be a little bit careful. You spray both surfaces, your vinyl, the metal, whatever you're adhering it to, and then you let it tack up before you put it on. But on the can, it says bond them together when it's aggressively tacky, but it says, wait for it, 30 seconds to 20 minutes. So what we found that works the best, for what it's worth, spray both surfaces, let it set for about 5 to 10 minutes, take your finger and go along your adhesive, and when it just starts to web up, stick the stuff on. But the other word of caution about this stuff is that it works so well, there's no turning back. Once you put this adhesive on both surfaces and put the elements together, they're on. You're not gonna pull it off. So good stuff, just a little bit of an explanation about what we're using here.